So Billionaire Nicholas Pegues been batting, aka US President Nicholas is in town. It is fireworks here. Nicholas Pegues report. I am here with President Biden. Of course, Nicholas Pegues, writing Republican candidate for state representative. Um, I've just come up with something innovative today. And of course, today is Juneteenth, and fireworks are here. So, pretty significant day. Let's listen in and see what else we can hear. Nicholas Pegues reporting. There it goes. People do listen to the president and look at Nicholas Pegues. So, pretty amazing day. So, reporting fireworks here by Nicholas Pegues, writing Republican. Nicholas Pegues for State Representative 2024. Nicholas Pegues reporting. Wow, there it is. It's an exciting day today. So, Nicholas Pegues reporting.